Students, how are you? I hope that all you are safe and fit at your home. Student, in the previous class, we have to learn that conservation of plants and animals. Now, today, we are going to our next chapter, microorganism, friends and food. Clear it? Now, question arises, what is the meaning of microorganism? Micro means small, tiny, level. Clear? So those organisms which are visible only through a microscope. That means which cannot seen with only naked eyes, which can seen only through a microscope. That is known as microorganism. They are the most abundant organisms on our planet. Microorganisms can be divided into five major groups, in which one is bacteria, second is virus, third is protozoa, fourth is algae, and fifth is fungi. Clear? The study of bacteria, the branch of science which deal with the study of bacteria is known as bacteriology, whereas the branch of science which deal with the study of fungi, that is known as mycology. The branch of science which deal with the study of virus, that is known as virology. The branch of science which deal with the study of protozoa, that is known as protozoology. And the branch of science which deal with the study of algae, that is known as phycology. Clear it? So in short way, we can say that microorganisms are those organisms which cannot be seen with naked eyes, which can seen only through a microscope. And it can be divided into five major types, in which one is bacteria, second is fungi, third is virus, the fourth is protozoa, and fifth is algae. Now let us bacteria. Start bacteria. What is the bacteria? Bacteria is the smallest and oldest organism. This is the unicellular organism. Means unicellular organism say that bacteria consists by only single cells and all function done by single cell. They are found everywhere, like in soil, in water, in air, in animal, and in plants, and even in humans. And they are found in variety of shapes, like spherical. Spherical means rounded shape, and this is known as, in science term, this is known as cocci. Second is rod shaped. This is also known as bacillus. Clear it? This is the rod shaped. Now third is spiral shaped. This is spiral shaped. Clear? And this is known as spirulum. Comma shaped known as vibrio. So we can say that bacteria are present in different shapes, in which they are present in spherical shape. These are known as cocci. They are present in rod shape. These are known as bacillus, and they are present in spiral form. This is known as spirulum, and they are present in comma shape. This is known as vibrio. Bacteria locomotive by flagella. Flagella are whipped-like structure which is present in a single way or in present in double or triple way. This is clear. This is the flagella. So flagella is a whip-like structure which can help in locomotion. So in short way, bacteria locomote by flagella. They may be saprophytic or parasitic. Saprophytic means bacteria depend on dead and decaying matter. That's why we can say that bacteria mode of nutrition is saprophytic. Sapro means dead and decaying matter. Clear? Parasitic. If bacteria depend on other organisms for their food, this is known as parasitic. And those organisms which provide food to the bacteria, they are known as host. So parasitic are of two types. If bacteria live inside the body of another organism, that is known as endoparasite. Whereas bacteria live on the outside of the host body, that is known as exoparasite. Clear it? Bacteria reproduce by binary fission. Fission means splitting, and binary means two. So if bacteria divided into two daughter organisms, that is known as binary fission. In this type of reproduction, it is a mode of asexual reproduction. In this type of reproduction, first nucleus divided, and which is followed by the division of cytoplasm. When the division of cytoplasm completed, we can say that mother organism divided into two daughter organisms. So bacteria reproduce by asexual method, and asexual method is known as binary fission. Binary means two and fission means splitting. If organism divided into two organisms, that is known as binary fission. Clear? But
some bacteria are useful for us and some bacteria are harmful for us. So now which bacteria are useful for us? For bacteria help in making of curd and cheese. In curd, lactobacillus bacteria is present which convert milk into curd. That means we can say that lactobacillus bacteria milk sugar lactose which convert into curd. Clear. Bacteria help in decomposition because their mode of nutrition is saprophytic. So bacteria decompose dead and decaying matters of plants and animal waste. That's why bacteria act as a cleaning agent or also known as scavengers. Bacteria help in nitrification. Examples: nitrosomonas help in the process of nitrification. It is the process in which protein convert into ammonia. Further, ammonia convert into nitrate and nitrates are useful for plants growth. Clear it? So we can say that bacteria help in making of curd, like lactobacillus bacteria. Bacteria help in the decomposition and bacteria help in nitrification. For example, nitrosomonas bacteria in which protein convert into ammonia. Bacteria also help in nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is the process in which atmospheric nitrogen convert into nitrates and nitrites for the growth of for the better growth of plants by using by rhizobium bacteria. So in short way we can say that rhizobium bacteria in nitrogen fixation. Rhizobium bacteria lives in roots nodule of leguminous crops like beans, pea. This is known as leguminous crops, and in leguminous crops they use atmospheric nitrogen and convert into nitrates and nitrates for the better growth of plants. Next, bacteria used in production of antibiotics, vinegar, wines and alcohol. Vinegar, wines and alcohol are formed by the process of fermentation. Fermentation means in which sugar convert into alcohol. Clear it? And now bacteria used in the production of biogas like methane gas, and bacteria like Escherichia coli. Example, Escherichia coli help in digestion because they live in small intestine of human beings, and there they help in digestion and absorption of food material. Clear it? Now harmful effects of bacteria. Bacteria develop disease in human beings, in plants, in animals. In human beings like cholera, dysentery and typhoid are caused by bacteria. Clear it? And bacteria also produce food poisoning. Food poisoning like staphylococcus. That means bacteria produce some toxic substance which spoil food. That's why we can say that bacteria help in a food poisoning. Now students, these are the bacteria, harmful bacteria, facts of bacteria and useful effect of bacteria. Clear it? Thank you student.